Did you know a mutual fund manager once stole $224 million and became one of America's most wanted fugitives for over 30 years? Robert Vesco started as a legitimate businessman in the early 1970s, but greed changed everything. He created fake companies and falsified investment records to steal millions from his clients. When investigators got close, he didn't just disappear. He bought an entire island in Costa Rica. Vesco bribed politicians and corrupted officials to stay protected. But his criminal empire kept growing. He partnered with Colombian drug cartels and became an arms dealer across Central America. When Costa Rica finally kicked him out, Fidel Castro welcomed him to Cuba. For 20 years, Castro protected this American fugitive from justice. But Vesco made one fatal mistake. He tried to scam the Cuban government itself with fake medical breakthrough claims. Castro threw him in prison, where he died in 2007. The man who stole hundreds of millions and evaded American justice for decades was finally brought down by his own greed.